Okay, then I'm going to share. Okay, can someone on the mic can see the textbook? Can see the digital textbook or not?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, okay, very good. Okay, the question that Lavanya doing is F. Okay, I don't know the others. Maybe if you look at the answer at the back, okay, there is only one answer. Okay, I don't know whether you notice not or not. Actually, it should be more than one answer. Okay, let us see the answer at the back. Okay, this is the answer at the back. Okay, this one. Okay, the answer is 1, 2, minimum point. Actually, there is another point, also is minimum point, which is -1, 2. Okay, so I'm going to show you how why we can get 2 points. If you are doing only 1 point, please use a red pen, okay, right inside your exercise book. That is one more point. Okay, I'm going to show you now. Okay, this is the questions. Y equals x squared. Okay, SE 2.10, question 1F, y equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared. Okay, you want to differentiate this. Before that, okay, change this into a negative power. So, -2. Okay, differentiate this. Okay, this one you get 2x. Okay, this one you get -2 and then x -3. Okay, you can write again -2 x to the power 3. Okay, then let dy dx equal to 0. Okay, to get the turning point. So 2x x to the power 3 equals 0. Okay, the negative this term move to the right hand side, become positive terms. Okay, then divide by x to the power 3, bring to this side, become times. So x to the power 4. Okay, then the 2. Okay, then the 2 bring to this side, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, when you come to here, okay, let me ask you this question. If you have a x squared equal to 1, what's your answer for a x? Is only 1? Only 1?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Then?
Plus minus 1.
Yeah, you are right. Plus minus 1. Same as this case. Okay, because of power 4. Okay, if you substitute -1, okay, you try this. -1, the whole thing power 4. You can use your calculator. What do you get? You get +1 or you get -1? Someone?
Positive.
+1. Okay, I don't know who's that. Okay, thanks for your help. Okay, +1. Therefore, for this, the answer also they have 2 answers. Plus minus 1. Okay, therefore the answer at the back kurang 1 lah. Okay, there's one more. Okay, then you proceed. Okay, the same step. Okay, I want to show you the graph of these functions. Okay, and then prove correct that is a 2 minimum point. Okay, wait for a while. Can see I enter the words and I enter a FX draw. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now I'm going to ask the software to sketch the graph x squared plus 1 over. This is the graph. Okay, so you can see you have a 2 minimum point. Okay, 1, 4 here. Okay, local minimum 1, 2. The other minimum. Okay, local minimum negative 1, 2. Okay, so the answer, my answer is correct. Okay, 2 points. Because they didn't say the range, correct or not for this. So it should be 2 answer. Okay, so if you write only one answer, please, okay, use red pen, okay, tambah, okay, so this one satu. Okay, now I continue to the lesson. Go back to textbook. Okay, so we are still using our MS2 because we are still in chapter 2. Okay, so this is the today lesson. Okay, solving problem. Okay, write the index for today. Okay, today is what? Oh, 1st of March already. Ayo, 3rd month already, so fast. Okay, then April you come back school. Then I think May you will have your mid-year exam. I think so. Okay, use MS2. Okay, let us study this. Okay, so what kind of problem you can have, okay, by using this differentiation to solve the problem. Differentiation is actually a very powerful mathematic tools for you to solve a lot of problem. Okay, let us see this. Okay, a lot of container for food and beverage in the markets are cylindrical, mean cylinder. The shape is in cylinder. Okay, how do the cylinder, like example this cylinder, okay, the tin, okay, how do the food and beverage tin manufacturer determine the size of the tin so that the cost of the production is a minimum? Okay, see or not? See the words or not? Okay, so every time when you do the questions during the exam, you will not know that question is for in which chapter one. Okay, especially this one. When you see maximum, minimum, quickly you guess, okay, this one is differentiation. Okay, so what's the meaning of this? You know, the factory, they sure they want to cut costs, right? Correct or not? Okay, so they want to make the cost of the productions, means the material, to make the tin, to make the cylinder tin, as less as they can. Okay, they want to use the material to make the tin as less as they can so that they can cut costs. Okay, but remain the size. Oh, you see, magic or not? Okay, so they are asking, okay, size means not no, not to say remain the size. I should say remain the volume. Means what content inside. Let's say it's 100 ml, okay, or centimeter cube. Okay, it remain that. Okay, but you can have a different size, then different how to say material, the size of the material that you're going to use. Okay, but end up with the same volume. You see or not? Different area, different surface area. Okay, how to make a tin? How to make a tin? Okay, they are using this one. Okay, aluminium. Okay, aluminium sheet. Okay, aluminium sheet to get to sheet. Okay, have to longer a bit. Okay, aluminium sheet. Okay, to make the tin. Okay, so if you use more aluminium, okay, means the surface area, okay, is more. Okay, then your cost will be increase. Okay, if you use less, they want to find minimum, sure they want to cut cost one, okay, minimum. Okay, how you can reduce until the very minimum, okay, but still remain the volume. You can see magic here. Okay, volume is the same. Okay, different size but can has the same volume. What's the meaning? Okay, some are taller but smaller radius, mean the circle at the bottom or at the top is smaller. Okay, some are shorter but maybe the radius are bigger. Okay, we want to see which one will use less aluminium. Okay, but still have the same volume. Okay, I hope I'm clear. Okay. Okay, can the first and the second order derivative assist the manufacturer in solving this problem? Okay, so now we see the problem. Okay, at factory, want to produce a cylindrical tins from a aluminium sheet. Okay, to contain food. Each tin has a volume of this. Okay, you see or not? The volume is fixed. Okay, 512 centimeter cube. Okay, the curved surface is made of rolling a rectangular piece of aluminium, while the top and the bottom of the circular pieces cut out from the two aluminium square. Okay, now they show you the, okay, this way. Okay, find the radius. Okay, you have to see what they want to find. Find the radius of the tin. They want to find the radius of the tin, okay, in centimeter, such that the total surface, okay, area actually of the aluminium sheet used will be minimum. Okay, so now, okay, first of all, you see this total surface, okay, means total surface area. Okay, we have to find this formula. You see or not? They will not give you this formula. Okay, you got to memorize all the formula for geometry. Okay, all the solid geometry, the volume and the surface area. Volume also the same thing. They will not give you the formula. Okay, so now you see. Okay, let R be the radius, H be the height of the tin. Okay, volume of the tin. This one. If you don't know the formula, bye-bye already. No need to do. Okay, because it's not given in the list and also in the questions. Okay, sometimes the question very kind, they will give you in the question. Okay, but they also don't give you. Okay, so this is volume of the cylinder. Okay, pi r squared is the area of the circle times the height of the cylinder. Okay, is equal to 512. This is fixed. Okay, why you need this is because here you have two variables. You have R and H, but afterwards you're going to use one of it only. Okay, because when you do the differentiation, you only deal with one variable. You cannot have two variable. So what happened to the other variable? Okay, you got to, from this relation or these equations, okay, how to say, we are substitute. Okay, after I will show you. Okay, substitute by using these equations, so that your functions before your differentiations is only with one variable. Only you can do. With two variable, you cannot do the differentiation. Okay, next, total surface area of the aluminium. Okay, this one same thing. Okay, if you don't know the formula, then bye-bye. Okay, where to get this? Okay, first part, this one. This 2 is because this is a can. Okay, this is tin. So top also tutup, bawah also tutup. Okay, that's why times 2. Okay, 2R and then square is what? 2R square. Oh, this way. Oh, this way. Okay, because they say this one, okay, is cut out from the 2 aluminium square. If they didn't say this, I'm going to use the area of the circle, which is pi r squared, and then times 2, because top and bottom. But this is different. This is different. Oh, I didn't notice that. Okay, this is very important. You see? Means what? Means the balance here, this portion, when you cut out the circle already, the four corner here is going to throw away. So it's is considered inside your course already. Okay, therefore, if this is the R, this is the radius, okay, of the circle of the bottom and the top. Okay, so from here to here will be 2R, which is a diameter, but we don't want to label it D. We don't want to have so many variable. Okay, the more variable, then you more pening. So this one is 2R, because this is a square, 2R and 2R. Therefore, 2R squared, okay, to find the area. 2R times 2R. Okay, so you have a 4R squared, and then times 2, you got 8R squared. Okay, how about this? This one is the, this part. Okay, the curved surface is made by rolling a rectangular piece of aluminum. Okay, so when you open up, you will see a rectangular. Okay, when you roll out, you will see a curved surface of the cylinder. Okay, therefore this is the height of the cylinder, and then this one is the circumference. Okay, you imagine this circumference when you open up will be the length of this rectangle. Okay, so what is the formula for the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. Okay, therefore this is a rectangle. How to want to get the area? Okay, the length times the width. So the 2 pi r times the height. Okay, 2 pi r h. Okay, so this is the formula we have. Oh, you see? Before we do anything, if all this information you can't analyze, you cannot do anything. Okay? Okay, next, remember differentiation. Do the differentiation. Okay? You want what to be the minimum or maximum? You want the area to be the minimum maximum. Okay? You differentiate the area with respect to what? Okay? You see, this one, we want R. So better with respect to R. Okay, so I'm going to plan it to do DADR. But the problem is, here I have R, here I have R. Don't care about the pi. Pi is not a variable. Pi is just a number. It's a fixed number. But here, H is a variable. Okay, that's why just now I say this H you got to replace it in term in the R. Okay, so it's from here. Okay, the H is equal to 512 over, okay, the pi r squared bring to this side, divide by pi r squared. Okay, so replace this H with this. Only start your differentiation. Okay, so how leh? I think I do in a pen. Okay, you have your textbook, right? You can refer to your textbook, so I don't have to go back to that screen. Okay, so I continue. Just now I have H is 512 over pi r squared. Then I have A is 8r squared, 2 pi R and H. So I'm going to replace the H with this. Okay, 512 over pi r squared. Okay, then we'll see what will happen. We'll simplify first. Cut this pi, cut this r. Okay, 512 times 2. I need your help because my calculator, one of the candidate taken my calculator. I got no calculator. 512 times 2. I see the textbook lah, 1024. Okay, over R. Okay, over R means I write R negative 1 because I'm going to differentiate. So now I do the differentiation, dA dr. Okay, 16R. Okay, this one I will get a negative 1024. Okay, then a negative 2. I think it's correct. Okay, then this one I rewrite in the fraction form. Okay, R to power 2. Okay, then you want to find minimum, maximum, remember? Okay, let the differentiation be equal to 0. Then continue. Okay, we'll see what will happen. So 16R minus 1024. R squared is equal to 0. Okay, same like just now that question, no? Okay, so the negative term move to the right hand side. So 16R, 1024 R squared. Okay, next the R squared move here. So R cube, 1024. Okay, R cube. Leave it here. Okay, then divide by 16. Okay, so R cube is what? 64. Okay, so this is how they get 64. Okay, now what is the R? Okay, R can have a two value or not? Cannot. This one cannot be negative. If this one negative, power 3 here will be negative, but this is positive. So how R is only one value. Okay, so you find the cube root of the 64. Okay, so the R, the answer is 4. Okay, only one value. Okay, then same thing, I need to test whether this is correct, is this minimum. So I have to do a differentiation one more time. Okay, do differentiation one more time. Just now is a 16R, so 16. Just now is 1024. 1024. I'm taking this lah, negative, or maybe I do at the side, easier. Okay, I do it here. Okay, so 16. This is a negative 1024. Okay, differentiate out negative 2. So negative 2 bring down negative 3. Okay, negative become positive. 1024 times 2. 2 is a 2048, and then over R to power 3. Okay, so when R is 3, sorry, R is 4, sorry. So I will see what will happen to the second derivative. Four to power 3. Definitely is positive lah. Okay, I copy the answer, 48. Definitely is positive. Okay, therefore, okay, A is minimum because it's positive. Okay, when R is 4. Have I answered the questions? Okay, let me see. Find the radius. Okay, the radius is 4. Okay, when the total is minimum. Yeah, I have answered the questions. Okay. So this is one of the solving problem. Okay, now is 8:29. Okay, I think I can go through one more parts. Okay, we come back to the textbook. We rest for 1 minute. We come back at 8:30. Okay. So this is this one will be the today homework. Okay, then we continue one more part. Okay, interpreting and determine. Okay, rate of change. Okay, for related quantity. So next will be rate of change. Okay, so when you see the questions, they say rate of change or blah 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 blah. You remember this one is d something over dt. T means times. Okay, this one maybe you can write in your notes. Okay, D means times. Okay, so this one we will involve with chain rule. Remember? Okay, when we do differentiation, we have quotient rules, product rules, and chain rules. Okay, so you see this chain rule. Okay, so usually you will see that rate of change always is dt. Okay, so okay, you look at this. Okay, two variables y and x change with the time and are related by the equations y equal to fx. Then the rate of change dy dt and the dx dt can be related by this. Okay, how you remember this chain rule? Actually, it's very simple. You see, I think I explained to you before. Okay, chain rule is this way: dy and dt, right? You will write dt dy here, and then you will write the dt here. Like cut them into a half, and then the denominator is one term, and then the numerator go to another term. Okay, so the other two must be the same. Okay, so here they delete with the time because it's rate. Okay, so dt, because y is related to the x. Okay, sorry, make mistake already. Okay, so this one should be x. Okay, because y is related to the x, so this one should be x and dx. Okay, cannot be dt because t is already here. Okay. Okay, maybe we will see some example. Okay, look at this example. Okay, how we do. Okay, consider the curve. You see or not? Okay, y equal to fx. Okay, y equal to fx. If x increases at the constant rate of 2 units per second, this sentence means dx dt. X increases in a constant rate. Rate. Okay, so dt, okay, is 2. dx dt is 2. If increase means positive. Here is positive. If here they say x decreases, then here is negative. Okay, that is fx dx dt equals 2. Then the rate of change of y is given by this. Okay, this one is same as this. Okay, how we do this? Okay, so I need dy dx, I need dx dt. Dx dt already here. Okay, so I need dy dx. Therefore, I need to differentiate this. Okay, so just differentiate this. Dy dx, okay, you will get 2x. Okay, therefore 2x times 2. Okay, so 2 times 2, 4x. Okay, then we continue. When x equals to 2, okay, then they will tell you what is x. Then you substitute here to get the dy dt the rate. Okay, to get the y rate. Okay, so if this is 2, 4 times 2, okay, this is 8. Okay, so the rate of the change of y is 8 units per second, and y is said to increase because this one is positive, so it's increase. Okay, at the rate of 8 units per second when x is 2. Okay, how about when x is equal to -2? Then you get -8. So if negative, this one you say decrease. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you one more example. This example. Okay, a curve have an equations. Okay, this is an equations. Find an expression of a dy dx. So first of all, okay, this one is a they guide you step by step. Okay, so you have to differentiate these equations. Okay, so same thing lah, this one you write in this form. Okay, then you differentiate, you get this. Okay, next, the rate of change of y when x equal 1 and x equal 2, given that, okay, this one is afterwards. Only you substitute x equal 1 and x equal 2. Okay, they want the rate of change of y, means they want dy dt. This is what they want. Okay, given that x increase, increase means positive at a constant rate of 3 units per second, means dx dt is 3, positive 3. So you see, all these sentences bring the meaning. If you can't analyze, there's no way for you to start. Okay, so this one, same thing, chain rule, dy here, dt here. Okay, and the variable is dx. Okay, it means I need dy dx. Okay, dy dx is here, so 2x. Okay, and I need dx dt is here, is 3. Okay, so you can just leave it actually if you want. This is 2, sorry. Okay, if not, then you can substitute in, but I think no need lah. You can just write the 3 in front, that's all. Okay, so afterwards, they want you to find the rate of change of y when x equal 1. So when x equal 1, okay, means substitute x is 1 here. So what is a dy dt? Okay, 2 times 1, and then 4, 1 squared. Okay, the answer is -2. Okay, the answer is -2. Okay, then the other one, when x is 2. Okay, same thing, substitute back inside the dy dx. Okay, the answer, I write outside first. Okay, the answer is 3. Okay, that's all.
Teacher,
So dy dx when x equals to 1 is not -6.
When is 6? dy dx?
The x equals to 1 when x equals to 1.
When x equal to 1, -6 meh? I see the textbook is -2. Okay. Yeah, why they don't have the 3? -6. Correct. Oh, I see that one is before they times 3. So this one also wrong. This one is what? 9. Correct. Because I one shot, they substitute inside the dy dx first, only times 3. I one shot times 3. Okay, so should be -6 and 9. Okay. So that's all. So you have another homework to do. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so two exercises. Two exercises. Okay, now I see we still have times like 20 minutes. Okay, I want to see whether we can I can ask you questions. We do it together. Some other questions, or maybe we go through the exercise, the previous one, 2.11. I think this is more difficult. Okay, we look at number 1. Oh, no diagram given. Okay, you have to try to imagine. If not, you got to try to sketch the diagram. Okay, a wire of a length 80 centimeter is bent to form a sector POQ of a circle with a center O. A sector is the pizza shape. Okay, here is O. Let's say here is P and here is Q. Okay, So a wire of 80 centimeter is bent to form this. Mean here the R plus the arc length. What's the formula of arc length? Okay, I can call one by one already. Very good.
S equals to
Wait,
R.
don't talk. Critical, don't talk. I want to give mark one, this one. Your answer only I want to give mark. If not, very quiet. Okay, Aksa, previously you don't have. Okay, I give you one more chance. I hope you are here. Aksa? Just now Kritika didn't say out the answer. Huh? Okay, Aksa here. Kritika, who is good friend of Aksa?
All of us.
All of you
She
So
at her mommy's daycare. I think she don't have strong Wi-Fi. That's what always she said. We're not sure. She says she don't have good strong Wi-Fi.
oh, so maybe sometime she can hear me, then sometimes cannot hear me lah. You mean like that?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I didn't see any reply from her. Okay, I look at my list. Who didn't do yet? Okay, Hema. Yo, this question so easy, Hema.
Yes.
Okay, come. I want to go back to the screen. Okay, arc length. What's the formula? That using the R one. I want to use the R.
R theta.
Very good. R theta. Okay. Happen that angle POQ is theta. Angle POQ. Here is theta radian. Okay. Then OQ. This is the R. Okay. I want to give Hema one mark. Next. Okay, show the area of the sector. Okay, POQ is this. Okay, how to find the area? Area of sector. What's the formula area of sector? Okay. Janelle. Janelle ada mic ke? Janelle here ke? Oh, Janelle.
Here.
Calling Janelle, is it?
Janelle. Okay, Janelle, can you answer my question? What's the formula for the area of sector? Key find book.
Theta over 360 times pi r square.
Alamak. Lower form. I don't want.
Oh.
Don't get theta over 360 is because my theta here is in radian. If my theta here is in degree, okay lah.
1 over theta r square. 1 over 2 theta r square.
Okay, 1 over 2 r square theta. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, give Daniel one mark. Okay, next girl is Kritika. Wait let me think. Okay, what question I ask? Okay, Kritika, you see area of the sector is this, half r square theta. But you see or not, they ask you to show, to prove this wall, different wall. Okay, as I mentioned just now, because you want to find the differentiation, so you cannot have two variable here. Here I got two variable. I got r and I got theta. So, but here you see, they don't have theta. So, how I want to relate the r and the theta? Okay, I go through here, blah, 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 blah. Can you see the AT here? Okay, so now you have to help me to form, okay, an equation that relate to this 80. Mean blah, 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 blah equals to 80. Okay, let us see. What is this 80? A wire of a length is bent to form this sector. Means what? This plus this plus this.
The
Okay, so can you
perimeter
help
is
me?
80.
Sorry?
The perimeter is 80, is it?
Yeah, the perimeter is 80. Very good. So can you help me with the left-hand side of the equations? Hmm? Kritika? Kritika?
Yes, yes. I am here. Wait, I'm
You're
trying
thinking, is
to
it?
solve this. Yes.
You don't have to do. You just tell me what and what and what. Then I will write. Then, you know, we do it together. You don't have to take
Oh.
finance. Yeah.
Okay. So
Is what plus what
R
is what? Yeah?
plus R
Yeah?
plus R theta.
Plus r theta. Okay, that's all. Okay?
Mm.
So you see, huh? R plus R is 2R. And then r theta, okay, equals to 80. Okay, I want to get rid of the theta, right? So I have to set the theta as the subject. Okay, so r theta here,
80
okay, minus 2,
minus 2R.
correct? Then
Wow.
80 minus 2r, okay, the r come here become divide.
Divide.
Okay, now you substitute this into here, into
Yes, and
here,
we already showed that the area is.
then you should get this.
Yes.
Okay, then find the maximum area of the sector POQ. So this part you're going to do DA, DR, and continue as usual. So this part I don't want to help you already. Okay,
Okay.
I just want to help you on this part. Okay, now we go to question number 2. Okay, so Kritika have answered my question. I should give her 1 mark as well. Okay, next girl is Supeng. Okay, come, we look at number 2. Okay, see how I can guide you in these questions. Okay, a piece of wire, again, or a piece of wire, okay, is bent to make a shape as a show. So same thing, if let's say it's a piece of wire, then will be the perimeter. Okay, express y in terms of x. This one they guide you, step by step. Okay, so I think no question yet for Supeng because this is very easy. So you just get the perimeter, okay, equals to 240. So I have a 13x, y, and 24x equals to 240. So how many x altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50x. Help me, no calculator leh. 2y, 240. I made mistake, let me know, Okay, after that, divide by 2 every term. So 25, okay, y, and then 120. Okay, express y in terms of the x, so y as subject. So y here, okay, this one throw this side, minus 25x. Okay, this is for your part A. I sudah buat untuk part A. Okay, but you do again, show that the area, okay, enclosed by the wire is this. Okay, how? The area. Right, Supeng, give me idea. This shape, how are the area?
The rectangle, then you plus the triangle.
Okay, so means like you cut in this way.
Oh.
Okay, cut this shape into 2. Okay, so you have a rectangle. When you have a rectangle, you have this as the width and this as the length. So area, it should be y times 24x. This is first part. And then I want to see whether I'm able to do this triangle or not. Okay, I must have the base and the height. Base is 24x. This one no problem. But how about the height? Okay, Suping don't answer. Suping, I will give you mark already. Who is next? Lydia. Lydia?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, maybe you don't want to use this base and the height. Okay, maybe you have other ideas to find the area of triangle. We'll have learned many ways to find area of triangle actually.
Use
Or you
Python.
want to use the base? Pythagoras.
Use,
So you still want to use the base and the height, is it?
yeah.
Okay, so this one will be the height. Okay, here will be the 90 degree. If this is 24x, this is half of it. So here is 12x. So can you tell me what is the h? If you're memorizing the Pythagoras triple, if not, then you have to do this way. 13x and then square minus 12x and then square. Okay, okay, and then square root. Can you help? What's the answer?
Five.
Is still Delia? Is it still Lydia?
No.
No.
5.
Who are you?
Vanessa.
Vanessa. Okay, Vanessa. Vanessa, I still already give you one mark. Okay, what's the answer, Vanessa? Vanessa, what's the answer? 5 Is it, you just have to say 5?
Yes, teacher.
Not 5.
Not 5.
5 and you miss out something. Five is correct already, but you still miss out something.
5x.
5x. Okay, 5x. Okay, so now I can use a formula for the triangle. Half times the base is 24x, and then the height is 5x. Because here got x, here got x, so your answer is 5x. Okay, so what I will get? 24xy, and then this can cut 12, 60 x squared, if not mistaken. Okay, after that, same thing, you see, here got no y. So here, this y, you got to use this to replace it and then try to get this answer. Okay, then, but see, the value of x and y for a to be maximum, same thing, you do dA dx equal to 0, then find the x value already, substitute here to get the y value. Okay, you must test whether it's maximum or not for second derivative. Okay, then the maximum area covered by the wire. Okay, after you get the x and the y for a to be maximum, you got to actually for x is enough already. Okay, you can substitute back here to get the area. They want the maximum area. Okay, I hope I'm clear. Okay, we still got 6 more minutes. Lydia, I can give you 1 mark. Okay, next will be Shahira. Okay, let us go through number 3. Okay, the factory produces why the same thing? Okay, cylindrical closed container for drink. Okay, each container has a volume of this. Okay, so volume is this one, 32 pi. The cost of the material used to make the top and the bottom cover of the container is 2 cents per centimeter square, while the cost for the material to make the circular surface is 1 cent, okay, per centimeter square. Oh, so complicated, man. This is for curve, and then this is for the top and the bottom cover. But this can be happen, no? Okay. The material for a canteen, maybe the top and the bottom, the material may be different from the curved surface material. Okay, it can be happen actually. Okay, so you see the outside the factory all that is not so easy, the question can be solved so easily. You see, they involve a lot of other things. Okay, we'll see how to do. Oh, I don't know how to do this question. No. Okay, show the cost. C. To make a cylindrical drink container is this with R as the base radius of a cylinder. Ayo, how? I only have 4 more minutes. I don't know whether I can settle or not. This question a bit different from just now. Radius. Volume. Okay, don't care lah, huh? Okay, what's the volume formula? Okay, what's the volume formula, Shahira? Volume formula for a cylinder. Just now got already one. Shahira? Shahira here? Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you tell me with a volume of a cylinder? Oh. What happened to your mind? If not, then you type. Shahira? 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 Okay, lah, Wizin. Don't know where Shahira go.
Teacher, see chat.
Oh, got already.
Chat answer got.
Pi r square h. Okay, pi r square h. Pi r square h. Okay, so volume is pi r square h is equal to 32 pi. Ayo, see? Okay, 32 pi. Okay, the pi and the pi can cut. Therefore, r square h is 32. Okay, I see here there's no h, so I assume that you got to replace your h with in terms of the r. So I get ready with this. Okay, next. Okay, the cost means you got to times with this afterwards. Okay, so the bottom and the top, because this one they didn't mention like just now, like inside a square. Okay, what do you have after this? What lesson? BM again
BM.
Every time I makan BM time your teacher, I think she will be angry with me. Okay, quickly I will go through. Okay, the C, the cost okay, means the material. This is you see this is the area. So the top and the bottom are two circles. So for the top and bottom okay, is 2 times circle is pi r square. Don't use just now the square one, okay, because this here they got no mention about the square. So use back the pi r square. Okay. So pi r square is for 1, this is for 2, so top and the bottom. Okay, then 2 cents per centimeter square. So what is the cost? Okay, this one is already in the how to say, okay, let's say this, the answer is 10 centimeters square. So how many cent? How you do? If this is 10, you use a 2 cent times you use a 2 times 10 and then get the cost, correct or not? So you just times 2, because this is the 2 cent per centimeter square. Okay, I don't know whether you understand or not. If this is 5 centimeters square, so how you get the cost? Times 2 lor. Okay, because 1 centimeter square is 2 cents If this is 5, then you times 2. So here you times 2 to get the cost. So this one will end up with the 4 pi r squared. Okay, this is for the top and the bottom cover only. Okay, then how about this surface area? Okay, surface area we used back just now. The circumference 2 pi r. Okay, times the h. Okay, then times the cost. Okay, this is 1 cent per centimeter squared. So times 1. Okay, so this one you get 2 pi r h. Okay, so these two you add up. Okay, then is the cost. 4 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. But the same thing, the h you got to replace with this. Okay, I think you will get the answer. Okay, then after that, find the dimension. Okay, find the dimensions means they want the h and they want the r for each container produced in order for the cost to be minimum. So same thing, do minimum. So you do d, c, d, r. Okay, then continue. Okay, I think that's all for today. Just now, Shahira answered my question right. I give you 1 mark. Okay, wait for a while. I stop recording. Anyway, okay, stop recording.